Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about LOGX Airdrop. Okay, so this one is the official airdrop, and participating in their testnet progress we're gonna get their LOGX token. Okay, but right now it's not available. Their token is not yet live right now. So before the launch of the token you will be able to convert your LOGX point into your LOGX token. So I'm going to show you in this video guys how all the process are going to get done. Very simple process only. And if you see, they have already raised in the funding of 6.1 million in the funding round by the top investors. You can even see Coinbase Ventures and all have invested in this one. And in order to participate in this airdrop, we don't have to spend our money. We can even spend our money and increase the airdrop chances, but without spending your money also still you can increase the LOGX point. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step process in this video, so make sure to watch this video till the end guys. And before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and continue watching it guys. By clicking that like button, it means a lot to me, and it hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button. Okay, so that's the big motivation for me, so make sure to hit the like button. And this is my Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop details and links and news and everything. Okay, I'll be providing it inside my Telegram channel only, so make sure to follow me in my Telegram channel guys. So without wasting your time, let's get into the video. So first of all, officially they tweeted. Okay, so this particular program have started on August 28th. Okay, this reward program have started. So from this platform here you can see reward program starts on August 28th only. The LOGX Airdrop reward program is built around log point. Okay, so all you have to do is we have to gain so much of this log points that we earn from trading on LOGX platform across different network. Okay, so if you use their platform and earn this log point, you can convert this log point into LOGX token. Okay, and this token you will be able to receive it in the future before the token gets launched. Okay, and the process are very simple, and I'm going to show you. As of now we can earn by trading volume, number of trades and number of referrals. Okay, so here you can see trading volume in Arbitrum mainnet. If you bring $100 to $1000, you'll be able to get 1 log point to 10 log point. Okay, so if you bring trading volume like $100 or $200 means 2 log point you'll be receiving. Okay, and number of trades in mainnet testnet is like 1 log point per trade. So this is what we're going to do, which is in the free. Okay, so we're not going to spend our money and doing this one, and we're gonna do this only. Okay, we're going to use the mantle testnet and we're gonna earn log point. Okay, per trade you'll be able to get 1 log point. So if you do multiple trade, you're gonna get more log point. Okay, and referral is coming soon. It's not yet live right now. After it gets live, I'll be updating inside my Telegram channel. After that you can start sharing your referral link with your friends, and then you can even earn more log point. Okay, and one more thing is like their mystery boxes. Okay, so their mystery box is not yet live right now. It will be in the coming soon state only. So it will show after it gets live. It will show live now. So when that happens, you can claim this mystery box, but as of now it's not yet available. Okay, so this is kind of a new thing they are doing, it new project only, and we are so early. August 28th only it even got started, and I'm making video about this one right now. So even I won't get any benefit by getting referral and all. Okay, so I just want to let you guys know about this platform, and there is a potential airdrop opportunity is there. So I just want to let you know, okay, about this platform, and I'll be leaving this link in the description guys. Once you click on that, it will take you here, and here after you come inside you can see LOGX Airdrop. Okay, so just click on that one. So after you click on that, it will show up like this. Just click connect wallet and then click on your MetaMask wallet, and your wallet will get connected, and then we have to switch our network to mantle testnet. Okay, so just click on this switch to mantle. So after you come inside, it will be looking like this only. So here you can see I have already got some balance. Okay, so how to receive this is in here you will be able to see the faucet. Okay, so just click on the faucet. Once you click on that, it will tell you to tweet to get the fund. Okay, so just click on the tweet to get the fund, and after you do the tweet, just come back here and click on this confirm button. Okay, so once you click confirm button, you will be able to receive it. Here it shows already we requested. Okay, so that I won't be able to request it again until 24 hours. Okay, so once you do that, it will be successfully received it, and here you will be able to see your balance too. So then what we have to do is we have to do the trades. Okay, so the number of trade you make on this testnet, the number of log point you're going to get. Okay, so basically that's the concept. So for example, now I'm going to like minimum is $10 only you gotta trade with first thing. So I'm gonna go long on BTC right now. So I'm just gonna click I put $10 and I'm gonna keep leverage 10x, and I'm gonna go long on BTC and click on confirm. And now here you can see the transaction got confirmed. Okay, and you'll be able to see your open trades. You will be able to see it here, and then your position will be shown up here. Okay, so right now it's getting it's loading now, that's why it's not showing, I guess. So what you have to do now is you have to open lot of trade. Okay, multiple times try to open up a position and close it. Okay, so do that multiple times, and if you do that you will be able to actually generate a trade. Okay, so per trade if you make, you're gonna get 1 LOGX point. Okay, and if you make 10 trade, you're gonna get 10 LOGX point, and in the end of the day you will be able to convert those point into those tokens. Okay, but right now it's not available. And if you might be asking me this, okay, where I can check my point after I make the trade, and kind of right now the platform is choppy. Okay, so nothing is working perfectly, but try this one early. So the more earlier you are, the more number of trade if you make, it will be easy for you to make more trade now, because once lot of people come inside, it will be like congested. Okay, many people will be trying at the same time, you might get lot of errors and all. So try this when there is nobody is trying. Okay, so that's when you can actually make lot of trade, and try to do 10 trade or 11 trade, and every day come inside and try to climb the faucet and do the trade. Okay, after 24 hours. So I have $80 more, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, I'm gonna buy 10 more times, and or else I'm gonna go in the short side also. I'll be doing it. Okay, buy and sell 10 more times, and until this balance get reduced. Okay, so if I lose this money, it's okay, I'll be coming back here again and again, try to climb the faucet next day after 24 hours. By doing so, you'll be getting more number of LOGX point. Okay, and if you go inside their Twitter account here, so here you can see the LOGX point you accumulate will be shown on the LOGX website itself. You'll be able to check our points in the month before the official token launch. You can continue to accumulate points which will be converted into LOGX token airdrops at the launch. Okay, so that will be airdropped to you at the launch. And one more thing, right now we are working on making your LOGX points visible on the LOGX website soon. Rest assured, your points will not be lost even if it's not visible immediately. So even if your point is not visible right now in their website because they are doing something, okay, it's on the progress. So even if our point is not visible on the website, we don't have to worry about the transaction we made, because obviously it's in the blockchain. Okay, so whatever transaction we are making, it will be get counted. Okay, so we don't have to worry. So all you have to do is do a lot of transaction in their in their platform, so that you will be getting more points. Then finally when their token is getting launched, by the time it happens, we'll be able to convert those points into token. Okay, and the referral system, right now the referral is not available. It says it's coming soon. So once it's available, I'll be announcing it in my Telegram channel, and by the time it happens, you can just start sharing your referral link with your friends and family members and increase your log points. Okay, and the mystery bugs. Okay, and the mystery bugs also, traders of the other perp dexes are auto eligible for 1 mystery boxes. For example, in their platform, if you go and see, these are the other dexes. Okay, in case before August 27th, if you have traded on any of these dexes, you will be able to claim 1 mystery boxes. Okay, so it's not live yet, but once it got live, I may even announce it in my Telegram channel, so that you can, in case if you have done any transaction in these platforms, you can come and claim your mystery boxes after it gets available. And pretty much this is it, guys. Okay, so just a free airdrop and potential airdrop confirmed, and that's it, guys. And this is confirmed airdrop and potential one, I hope, and it's just early and we don't know how long it's gonna go. So these are the main 4 components. 2 of them is available now. Pretty much I covered everything, I guess, in about this airdrop, guys. So make sure to try this one. I hope you like this video. If you have liked this video, make sure to hit the like button, and thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video. In case if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video.